Wow. In a very friendly neighborhood of EAST LEGON HILLS, you have this wonderful 4-bedroom house that has been built. Everything is done. You just come in to have your furnishing done, and your family would have a decent place within the heart of Accra to stay. Checking from the outside, you have your nice space to do your ornamental plants, garden, and the whole place has very good lighting from the wall to the roof, and then also the ceilings. You have your space to be able to actually land your power plant, or equally convert into something that you would love. I would say there is enough space if you would even want to do a small swimming pool for the family. That can be done. The property is quite spacious, has a very good living spaces. Should you check in, you would realize that there's enough lighting and details as well. Let's take a walk around for you to really appreciate what you stand to get at EAST LEGON HILLS, not far from the Kedesh or the Lighthouse Chapel. Let's check the side. It's a twin project. Our understanding is that one is almost done in terms of negotiations, and so we would encourage you to kindly make your initial contact and intend to move early. This part is supposed to be able to house, it's a storeroom, supposed to house your products. You could equally put your hard, heavy duty electronics here as well.
Boss, what's the land size?
100 by 40.
100 by 40. They've made very good use of the size of the land in terms of how they've positioned the building. You can see that at the back you have enough room. You even have not just your laundry here, but then you could equally have a playground for your kids. All the rooms come.
Doorway coin. Doorway coin. Okay, so this door leads to where?
All the rooms are fitted with ACs and boilers. So what for filling in our crate. I could see a lot of water outlets here, piping level form. But what's the plan behind it? To be able to manage the filter. Clear. Okay, so there is no way water will get stuck here. Right, that's right. And then also, you don't have just only electric fence the gates, but the doors also have the alarm system, right? Yeah. Okay. Let's go and check the security setup inside. So there's the porch here for the main living area. Okay, so this is the security alarm for the entire house, and also the regulation for the air conditioning. The living area is very spacious. You can have a very nice dining area, and then also a guest area or a family area for guests. I believe it, since it's a 2-story or one, depending where you come from, you could equally have 2 living areas, one for the family and one to entertain guests. This is really fantastic. Ceiling, wow, and then you have your LEDs already fixed inside. Great. And this is the guest washroom. So when the guests come, they can usually have a place, a convenient place to be able to just be so relaxed. And this side, you could also equally put some nice designs here to make the place a very casual place. And this is the kitchen. Pacho, tell us a little bit about the kitchen. The kitchen is big. What went into this kitchen? have your fridge, nicely fitted. You have your, what do you call it? As the kitchen has an AC, yes. I can see that there's an AC upstairs for the kitchen. And also
An extractor.
As well as
Oven.
I believe this has a dishwasher in it, right?
Dishwasher, microwave.
Yes. So it's really a fully packed kitchen for you, and all of these are already fitted. Again, you just add your touch to be able to make it your
The
own.
part your door in a carbon too. Okay.
And this is the only room downstairs. And I can see there is 180-degree power outlet where you can actually have the electronics used.
Into wardrobe.
Yeah, there's a
Okay, there's a
fitted
wardrobe. Oh.
Yes. So all the washroom has their own utensils. Like I said, there's space for all the washroom. So we go upstairs to check what the car is doing for you. It would really be wonderful should you have any further questions on what is downstairs for us to answer for you. However, this property is within EAST LEGON HILLS, just less than 5 minutes drive from the Agricultural past stop or past station. You have your natural light coming through the stairs with very great lighting on the wall for you to be able to. And the stairs, the space for the stairs is quite fantastic. You can actually put all your furniture and other stuff upstairs easily. And this is the first room on your left. With it on board, it needs to be checked for air conditioning and everything. And they have two very great windows for very good fresh air, and the ventilation is just great. So this is the first room upstairs. And we go to the second room upstairs.
Oh, Master Eric.
Thank you. So as you can see, it's not only just air conditioning that has been fitted. When you check just by the regulations on the wall, there is also an outlet for a fan to be fixed for you as well. So in case where you just want to have a cool breeze naturally, you can turn on the fan to be able to cool your room for you. All the rooms are in suites with their own very nicely set up wash. I think the very next place will be the master bed. I believe this master bed should be able to come up in a way that will make your life so comfortable.
This is my favorite part of this.
The living area upstairs
Yes.
for the family. And then it comes with a balcony as well. That's really nice. Wow. So this balcony actually is open to all family members, so they can always come outdoor to relax and just unwind after a hard day's work, or just enjoy a holiday, wow. Very spacious compound. And I believe the compound will do more than 5 cars. There's enough room for kids to be able to ride their bike and just play around. And we go to the master bed. This obviously is the biggest room. The master bed has 3 separate windows for maximum ventilation. It has its own ACs as fan as well, to be able to make sure that it's always comfortable for the master to be able to enjoy the space. It has a wall unit adjoining to the washroom area. As you can see, you do everything here before you step out. And so Madame has the closets as well as the washroom. It is just nice.
Master Eric, what's the saying? What's the price? 250,000 USD. Okay. Now, me Range Rover car one, I don't say anything.
No.
Oh, okay. Hey, Monte Sovio. Okay. So you can either buy it as it is at 250,000 USD, or with a Range Rover for 299,999 USD. Thank you so much for watching.
Please do give us a call, text, email, or WhatsApp. Thank you.